oceans deep and wide, lost in a storm where tears compile. She walks the night with heavy heart. Worlds falling, dark lovers apart. Broken dreams and shattered fate, she wanders silent hourly through endless skies and streets unknown, seeking the place she calls her. Tears in the rain, they mingle free. Her cries are whispers lost at sea. No shelter found from stormy skies, but in her heart new hope will rise. Shadows blend and sorrow's grip, the heart defends. Yet through the fog a beacon burns to light the path as night turns. In solitude, where echoes weep, she finds the strength to rise from deep. A voice within the song reborn. The dawn will break a brand new morn. Tears in the rain, they mingle free. Her cries are